Do you realize that procrastinating or delaying your real estate investment decision is costing you millions? Sayang yung opportunity cost, especially if you're already financially capable. So how can you stop procrastinating and start investing? I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal. I've met many people who say they wanted to invest in real estate for years. But that's the problem. That's all they do. Say they want to invest. There are a lot of reasons why people tend to procrastinate at investing in real estate. Sometimes, we just don't have a strong motivation, or we easily forget about it. Sometimes, we're afraid of making a mistake, or we're just overwhelmed with the task that we need to tackle. But really, the secret to getting started boils down to two things. First is knowing your why. Why do you want to invest in real estate? And I'm not talking about the monetary why. I'm talking about what you want out of life. So imagine the life that you want. What do you see? Unlimited vacations, Sunday nights without anxiety, early retirement, making a career out of your passion? Do mission work? You name it. Knowing your why gives you a strong motivation to act on your goal. So always carry a mental picture of your why. But your dream will not become a reality if you don't take action. Second is to make an action plan and do one thing each day. What do you need to accomplish to make your real estate investment goals happen? For me, it's as simple as build your knowledge, make a strategy, find a property. And remember, you don't have to do everything in one day or 1 week or even 1 month. Each person paces things differently. At nakaka-overwhelm naman talaga if we tackle it as one big project. What I did was to break it down to small actions I could do every day. By doing this, I am able to view it as small, manageable tasks. For example, when I was building my knowledge, I would spend around 20 minutes per day to read or watch content related to real estate. Like I said, each person is different. You can dedicate more minutes or less minutes to reading. It's up to you. The important thing is to be consistent and to build that habit of doing one thing each day towards your goal. We live in a world where we have unlimited access to information, and most are free. Use this to your advantage, because building your knowledge is a good way to reduce risk and anxiety. Pag naiintindihan mo ano ang pinapasukan mo, alam mo agad ang benefits at alam mo rin how to protect yourself from the risks. The best way to build your knowledge is to hit that subscribe button to know how you can invest safely and smartly in real estate. As you build your strong foundation, you become more capable of choosing the right investment strategy. Once that's set, you can easily shortlist the best property investments for you. The great thing about this is all previous steps you did to build your knowledge will save you time and effort. Hindi ka magsa-second guess or fall into a trap of analysis paralysis. One last tip. Never hesitate to seek help from experts and experienced investors, especially if this is your first time. We can give you an extra boost of confidence and push you to make an informed decision. We can help you find the right investment to make it even easier and more rewarding for you. To know which property investment best fits your goals and strategy, schedule a free consultation with me via the link in the description. Remember that the difference between those who procrastinate and those who make their goals happen are the small acts they do every day. Thank you for watching. Now let's put your learnings into action. I know you're excited to dive into property hunting, but hold that thought, because success starts with the right strategy. And the truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all strategy. So let me help you create the best strategy specifically for you that aligns with your own goals and situation. Once that's set, let's get you a property investment that fits your strategy and maximizes your earning potential. So schedule a free consultation with me. Yes, you heard it right. It's free. Sign up now by the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.